I bet you didn't know how to turn your passion into a thriving business. Welcome to JK World 035, where we inspire and empower you to chase your dreams and build a life you love. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics, turning your passion into a productive and profitable business. Let's be honest, we all have that one thing that lights us up inside, that makes us come alive. Maybe it's something you loved as a kid or a hobby you can't get enough of. Whatever it is, wouldn't it be incredible to turn that passion into your paycheck? To wake up every day excited to work on something you truly care about? If you're ready to transform what you love into what you do, then stick around because this video is packed with actionable tips to help you turn your passion into a thriving business. All right, let's dive right in. Step 1 is figuring out what truly drives you. What lights you up inside? Think about the activities that make you lose track of time. Is it writing, designing, teaching, or maybe cooking? We all have unique talents and interests, things we're naturally drawn to. Maybe you're a whiz in the kitchen or have a knack for making people laugh. Maybe you lose yourself in a good book or can fix just about anything. But here's the key. Passion isn't just about what you love, it's also about what you're willing to work hard for. It's about that thing you're so obsessed with, you'd happily stay up all night working on it, even if nobody was paying you. Take a moment to really reflect on what excites you and what you can see yourself doing every single day. Don't be afraid to dream big here. This is about uncovering your deepest desires and letting your passion guide you. To help you get crystal clear, I want you to ask yourself a few key questions. What are you naturally good at? What do people come to you for advice about? What do you love doing even without getting paid? Write down your answers and don't overthink it. This is about tapping into your intuition and letting your heart lead the way. Now that you've identified your passion, it's time to see how it fits into the real world. Because here's the thing, passion is important, but it's not enough on its own. We need to make sure there's a viable business opportunity there too. This is where research comes in. It's time to be a detective and gather as much information as you can. Start by asking, is there a market for what I want to offer? Who are my potential customers? What are their needs and desires? The internet is your best friend here. Google everything. Check out online forums, social media groups, and industry blogs. See what people are talking about, what problems they're facing, and what solutions they're looking for. Look for people who've already succeeded in your niche. Study their strategies, their websites, their social media. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? Don't be afraid to reach out and ask questions. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to share their experiences and offer advice. But here's the key, don't copy them. Your unique perspective and experiences are what will make you stand out. Use your research to gather inspiration and insights, but ultimately, let your own creativity and passion guide you. Every successful business starts with a vision. It's about painting a picture of what you want to create and where you want to go. So close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself 5 years from now. What does your business look like? What impact are you making? How do you feel? Now let's take that big vision and break it down into smaller, actionable goals. This is where a business plan comes in. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be a 100-page document. Even a simple outline can help you stay focused and on track. Your business plan should include your mission and vision, what you're here to do and why it matters. Who is your target audience? What are their biggest pain points and how can you solve them? Next, outline the products or services you'll offer. What makes them unique? How will they benefit your customers? Don't forget to think about your pricing and profit strategy. How much will it cost you to create your products or deliver your services? How much will you charge your customers? Finally, outline your marketing approach. How will you reach your target audience and get the word out about your business? Will you use social media, content marketing, paid advertising, or a combination of different strategies? One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is waiting for the perfect time to start. They think they need a fancy website, a huge budget, and a team of experts before they can even get started. But here's the truth. You don't need any of that. The best way to start is to just start. Start small, test your ideas, gather feedback, and improve along the way. Think about what you can do right now with the resources you have available. Can you offer your services to friends and family at a discounted rate to gain experience and testimonials? Can you start a blog or social media account to share your knowledge and build a following? Remember, even the biggest businesses started as small experiments. Don't let fear and perfectionism hold you back. The most important thing is to take action and get started. As you start to generate revenue, you can reinvest that money back into your business and gradually scale up. But don't get caught up in the trap of thinking you need to do everything at once. Focus on building a solid foundation, one step at a time. Okay, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, making money. The good news is there are more ways than ever to monetize your passion and create a sustainable income stream. If you're passionate about creating physical products, you could sell them online through your own website on Etsy or at local craft fairs. If you're a service-based business, you could offer one-on-one consultations, group coaching programs, or online courses. If you love to teach and share your knowledge, online courses and workshops are a fantastic way to reach a global audience and generate passive income. Create valuable, high-quality content that solves a specific problem for your target market. And of course, you can monetize your passion through content creation, just like I'm doing right now. Build a loyal following on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platform your audience hangs out on. You can generate income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and by selling your own products or services. The key is to choose monetization strategies that align with your values, your skills, and your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find what works best for you. In today's crowded online world, it's more important than ever to build a strong brand that sets you apart from the competition. Your brand is more than just your logo and your color scheme. It's the feeling people get when they interact with your business. Think about your core values, your mission, and what makes you unique. What do you want people to think and feel when they hear your brand name? Infuse your personality into everything you do, from your website copy to your social media posts. Building a community around your brand is essential for long-term success. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages, and create valuable content that resonates with them. Host online challenges, Kwanda sessions, or live events to foster a sense of connection and belonging. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Be authentic, be vulnerable, and let your true self shine through. The more you show up as your genuine self, the more you'll attract your ideal clients and customers. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. There will be days when you feel like giving up, when you question everything, and when you wonder if it's all worth it. But here's the thing: consistency is key. Show up for your business every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Create a schedule, set deadlines, and hold yourself accountable. Remember why you started this journey in the first place, and let that fuel your fire. The online world is constantly changing, so it's important to stay adaptable and willing to pivot when necessary. Pay attention to industry trends, listen to your audience, and don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies and platforms. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learn from your mistakes, celebrate your wins, and never stop learning and evolving. The journey of entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, prioritize self-care, and remember to enjoy the ride. So there you have it, my friend. We've covered a lot of ground today, from identifying your passion to building a thriving business. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this information sit idle. Choose one thing from this video that resonated with you and take action on it today. Maybe it's finally starting that business plan, launching that online course, or connecting with a potential mentor. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power within you to create a business and a life you love. So go out there, chase your dreams, and make it happen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Let's build something amazing together. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so incredibly inspired by your dedication to turning your passions into a reality. Remember, the world needs your unique gifts and talents, so keep shining bright, keep hustling, and never give up on your dreams. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, stay boss, my friend.